will need a poster board, scissors, measuring board, pencil or marker, tights, and t-shirt of the size that you will be making. So you're going to take the tights and cut 2.5 to 3 inches below the crotch. You're going to put the bottom part to the side because we're going to be using that later. So I'm going to start with the t-shirt, and right here I'm doing a 3T. The shirt is a 3T and the tights are a 3T. But we're going to cut up the middle. Just trying to get all the wrinkles out. Where I am folding it, we're going to end up cutting that part. It's going to be 3 to 4 inches from the bottom of the t-shirt that we're measured from and going to cut off. I normally, I don't use patterns. I make my own. It's easier for me that way. I've gotten so used to doing it that it just has gotten real easy for me. But I was just measuring. I'm going to fold where I'm going to cut it at. Right here, I'm about to cut the sleeve. You're going to cut the sleeve off. It just makes it easier, you know, for a better accurate measurement. I don't know why my lighting's bad. I had 7 different lights on that particular area. But right here, I am just putting the tights down, the top part of the tights down, and just lining it up. Here is where we're going to begin to trace. For bigger sizes, you might have to get longer poster board, or even, you know, tape a few poster boards together, because this works for all sizes, adults as well. So now I'm getting ready to trace. And from this type of pattern, you can make any kind of romper. So now I'm just tracing the outline. And later on during the video, you're going to see me bring the side of this in a little bit more, so they could be more form-fitting in the waist part. Alright, now just going to cut that part out. I had to change the song. I wasn't feeling what I was listening to.